Potato chicken kebab recipe. Aloo chicken cutlets. Potato chicken kababs, also known as aloo or chicken tikkian, are crispy, golden cutlets made with mashed potatoes, shredded chicken, and aromatic spices. These kebabs are perfect as a tea-time snack, appetizer, or even a quick meal with naan and chutney. Ingredients: potatoes, 750 g, chicken, half a kilogram, thighs or breast, eggs 2, onion, 1 medium, finely chopped, salt, 1.5 tablespoons, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon, white pepper, 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, green chillies, 2, finely chopped, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, chicken powder, 2 tablespoons, cumin, 1 tablespoon, fresh coriander, handful, chopped, oil. For frying. Method. Step 1. Cook the potatoes and chicken. Peel the potatoes and cut them into chunks. Cut chicken thighs or breast into small pieces. In a saucepan, add potatoes, chicken, and about 2.5 cups water. Mix in salt, turmeric, chicken powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, and cumin. Cook on high heat until it starts boiling, then lower to medium heat. Let it cook until the potatoes and chicken are soft and all the water dries up. Step 2. Prepare the mixture. Transfer everything into a bowl. Separate chicken pieces from the potatoes. Mash the potatoes with a masher. Shred the chicken by hand. Combine mashed potatoes and shredded chicken in a large bowl. Add chopped onion, white pepper, green chilies, red chili powder, and fresh coriander. Mix thoroughly with clean hands until everything is well combined. Step 3. Shape the kebabs. Grease your hands lightly with oil. Shape the mixture into patties, cutlets. This recipe makes around 18 to 20 kebabs, depending on size. Step Step 4. Fry the kebabs. Beat the eggs in a bowl. Heat oil in a frying pan. Dip each kebab in beaten egg, then carefully place in hot oil. Fry on medium heat, flipping after 2 minutes. Cook until golden brown and crispy on both sides, about 4 to 5 minutes. Serving suggestion. Serve hot with ketchup, chutney, or garlic mayo. These kebabs also go perfectly in burgers or with parathas for a wholesome meal. Tip: you can prepare and freeze these kebabs before frying. Just thaw slightly before frying for a quick snack anytime.